Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today no podcast, no mic, because I noticed last time was horrible. I'm really sorry for that. It was kind of a bit crispy, and the lighting was not good because it was a bit dark this day and my ring light stopped working. Obviously it's not fun otherwise. I'm not in my PJs, I'm just wearing a very big pink t-shirt, but that's a normal outfit. I have a little respect for you still. Yeah, so today I wanted to show you some new stuff. I said I wouldn't anymore do some hauls or whatever, but I think it's a good thing if I still do some reviews of products I found are good quality, and what better quality than the shoes I own. So this time it's not a Dr. Martens pair of shoe, it's a VANS. I have two actually to show you, but I'm gonna do separate video, I think. So the first one I'm gonna show you, and yeah, I'm gonna post this one first because it's the one I'm gonna use first. So yeah, it's better to show you this one first. And it's actually this one. I reached out to one of my friends who work in a Vans store. Otherwise I couldn't. Maybe I would have thrifted it on Vinted or something, I don't know. But yeah, had this opportunity to have some little advantage, let's say. So yeah, anyway, this pair of Vans is in a different box, as you can see, so I'm never sure how to pronounce it. So I know this is the ULTRARANGE, but this is the MTE ULTRARANGE. I went to a French shop, so we all say, do you have the ULTRARANGE? No, it's ULTRARANGE Neo VR3. So if you look a bit into the ULTRARANGE range, there are a ton of different kind. So I wanted to show you. This is why I had the idea of doing the video also, because I liked this shoe. I'm not gonna lie, this is a complete copy inspiration, let's say, of the singer of Terminal Asleep, if you know it. I've seen those shoes on her and I was like, oh my god, these are the shoes I want. I want some Vans, but I want some Vans that are not so flat that at the end of a concert I feel that my feet are really flat. I need a kind of a bit more, something a bit softer, and these are totally the shoes I needed. I haven't made any concert yet, so I hope I'm right. But I'm gonna walk around Marseille and Avignon, where I'm going in little holidays, and where I'm leaving for holidays a few days, so I will be wearing them and walking, so I could actually give you a proper review at the end of the video. We'll try not to forget about this, but they feel so comfortable already, so I am certain that they will be very comfortable in a concert, and very light, you know, and like you can jump and try to two-step if I can. But if you know how to two-step, those are the ones for you, and I'm going to show you right away. I love them. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. Okay, maybe that's not a... I'm going to show you. So these are... How can I show you? These are the shoes. Oh my god, sorry about the laces. Let me do this. Maybe tighten them a bit. Don't know. So these are the shoes, okay? Just one to show you better. So as you can see, it looks like a daddy Vans shoe that we would never pay attention to this shoe. Like, we all go to the old school, new school, skate high platforms in Vans shop. And this will be the one that is a bit, you know, just, you know, for dad and people who want to get comfortable and not, you know, not the trendy stuff. But actually, I don't know, I'm not on TikTok. Perhaps this one is already really trendy on TikTok, but I just had like this intuition when I saw it on you know, this singer, and I thought, yeah, that's the one to go to. And yeah, anyway, so I had a ton of questions when I was interested in this one. First, which one was it? Because I knew it was ULTRARANGE, but I didn't know which one. So this is the Neo VR3. Is that it? Yes. Yeah. VR3. Okay, because there's a lot. Then I had the question, is that really black? Because it feels a bit like it's grey, but no, it's black. It's actually really black. It's just that the texture is like this, like, oh my god, I haven't sold shoes in a while. How do you say suede? Suede? Oh my god, I don't often use this term. Suede? Oh my god. Anyway, I will write it down. Yeah. Oh my god, I worked for about 10 years in a shoe store. I don't remember this word. I can't pronounce it. Suede. Oh my god, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, it's really black. It's just that it looks a bit grey, but it's not. Then you have something like this that is a bit more breathable. But the thing is, if I'm gonna tell you something that I am for sure certain of it, if you are someone with stinky feet, I think this pair will stink very quick. I don't know, it feels like it's, you know, very fabric like this. I don't know, it feels like it's a shoe that is gonna stink if you have stinky feet. I know that, you know, this type of shoe like this, when you go to the gym and you smell something bad, it's always a guy with a pair of shoe like this. Oh, can you change a shoe, mate? Anyway, I love the platform, because it's kind of a platform, I want to say, but it's so light. I love it. And yeah, what can I say? You cannot wear them in the rain, no. This is why you also have other model, the one that are really full black. I think it's not the same fabric here. I think it's all leather, so you can wear them in the rain. This needs something to make them waterproof. What can I say? Oh yeah, it's oh, you have the little name here. So this is the sole, and so it's size small, but Vans do have size. Okay, so first I went to a shop who told me they think it's one size higher, and so they gave me a 39. They didn't want it to give me a 38.5. I know why they did that, because they didn't have the size and they wanted me to take the size. I was a saleswoman, I know the tricks. So anyway, I tried. I was nice. I tried 39, and so UK 5.6, US, I don't know. And no, it was too big. So the guy told me you should really tighten up the laces, and I was like, it should feel comfortable, even, you know, even with normal tightened laces, you know. So then I went to my friend's shop, and he told me, but you know, we have half size. And he gave me a half size, and I'm like, okay, that's all I needed. So yeah, they're size small, but they size small, like half size smaller than you know. So I'm a 38. This is, I'm gonna check again, but yeah, this is a 38.5, so that's 5.5 UK again. Sorry, if I want to say women, it's an 8. Whoa, seems very big to me. Anyway, so yeah, this is the one I really love, and I'm gonna insert some picture. For now, I'm really certain I'm gonna be good with them and I'm gonna love them. So yeah, I'm pretty confident with those ones. So I actually wore them for 2 weeks now. Here they are. As you can see, they are quite, you can't really see it. Yeah, they're quite dirty now. I think I haven't tried to wash this sole, but I think it's possible to wash it. But the thing is that it feels like the fabric is going to go bad. Like, I can try to wash it a bit because I've been walking in, like, on some rocks and on the beach and stuff like this. So they're quite dirty. As you can see, they're not like the beginning of my stay. I took some pictures, so I'm gonna insert it so you can see, but they were quite shiny, bright, white, but it's not anymore. This can be easily removed, I think. The only thing I'm concerned about is this part, because it feels like it's a bit, I mean, I don't really care, because I think now that they're used, I'm gonna wear them in concert, and I'm not gonna be sad about it. Thing is that if I want to clean them, I'm not sure that putting them in the washing machine is a good thing. I think a lot of people do this mistake, to put their Vans in the washing machine, but the thing is that when you put some sneakers in the washing machine, then they are some water is going to go like inside, and it can cause like the glue going off. So you can have some little holes here, so you can create some little holes. So it's very not a good idea to put your shoes in the washing machine, but anyway, a lot of people do this. But the thing is that I really think I cannot do this, not like the old school Vans, or it's really a different texture, and I think I'm just going to try to clean it with a little brush or something. But anyway, you can definitely see that it's a pair of shoe that you shouldn't wear if your feet are stinking. Definitely, they're not stinking right now, but it's kind of, you know, those Nike shoes. I'm not going to show you the one with the little stain on it, but you know, anyway, it's you know, kind of those type of sneakers. So it's not like the other Vans. So it's not like the other Vans that you can wear and, you know, get dirty and wash it easily. I think it's, yeah, they're kind of fragile. This is the thing I'm kind of concerned about, because even this is kind of fragile. I was very scared to, you know, just rip it, or I don't know, get a stain, and the stain cannot go away. Anyway, I haven't tried, you know, just washing them already, but I'm gonna try. I don't really know, because I don't really care. I want to wear them in some concert, and I know that they're gonna be really destroyed at the end. So this was the purpose anyway of this pair of shoe, but they're kind of good after 2 weeks that I wore them, and I did really, it was intense. so yeah, so here they are. So thank you again for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to answer all the comments as soon as possible. Thank you again. Bye. Cheers.